Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see your Spotify song history. So by this, I mean, if you guys want to see what songs you have recently played, there is like a way by which you can see like the songs which you have recently played, alright? So if you guys want to know how you guys can see a recently played song, then this video is just for you. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on to our channel, and let's get on with the video. Now first, you want to open Spotify and you want to go to your library. So once you go in your library, you want to go to your playlist which you just created. If you guys do not have a playlist, then you need to create a playlist, alright? So I'm going to go to the playlist. So Kevin's playlist is my playlist which I just created. I'm going to click on Kevin's playlist. Once I'm over here, I want to click on where it says add songs. Click on add songs. Once you click on add songs, you want to swipe right until you see recently played. So as you guys can see, these two are the songs which I've recently played and it shows over here. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see your song history on Spotify. So yeah, it's that simple. But there is not like a single way or like a single button through which you can just see your song history. This is the only way. So create yourself a playlist, go on add song, swipe right until you see recently played. So that's basically it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do consider liking and subscribing to our channel with notification on, and I'll meet you guys on my next video. So stay tuned until then, and bye bye.